Hello friend, like 5 or 6 years back I created a YouTube channel name that's called Beats Game, and for some reason I couldn't properly work on this channel. So like one day I found out that my channel got 900 subscriber. So I thought I should also work on this. So this is the it's called, yeah, it's called actually it's about random videos. So guys, only I knew this beast game. I don't know my Gmail account or account username or ID. So what you can do to solve this problem? So to be honest, I just found I have logged in my this account on my iPhone like 5 or 6 years back. So in that iPhone I just found that you could have save your password in section of just go to the setting and go to the password. You will get all your Gmail account until and unless if you have if you haven't removed, so it's not going to be problem. But how did I solve it? So because make sure you have to, like, you must have the number that you registered or that you have made for recovery. Without number or email, you cannot, like, if it could be that easy, so every person on this earth could easily get any YouTuber email ID or password. So you need to go to the sign up, just type in YouTube. So you need to go, so basically there is one thing, just go to your Android, but I'm pretty sure that iPhone can store your password like 5, 7 or 6 years, and it could be very easy for you because I just recovered my this account. You can see. So what you have to do, make sure you have like some hint. It could be like you could have saved your password on Google account or your iPhone. So I found my recovery, like it's been like 5 or 6 days. So now I'm going to work on this channel that's got 831 subscribers. I think I can make it. Now I will properly make this videos, and that's it.